Good morning, dear students of class 12. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today we are going to take up report writing, some examples. So first, let us have a quick recap of what is report writing. Well, report writing is a brief account of an event that has already taken place. The report helps in recording the events of importance that occur in our day-to-day life. It attempts to present the first-hand information of an incident or event. You find such reports in newspapers, school magazines, or even you find on television's report of certain events are being read out. But here we are going to take up how to write a report for a newspaper or school magazine. Now, points to remember. First, mention the place, date, time, and other relevant details about the event. Then include information collected from people around or affected by the event. Provide a suitable title and heading. A report is written in past tense because you are reporting an event that has already taken place. Write in reported speech and use passive voice of expression. Develop ideas like causes, reasons, consequences, opinions in a logical order. Then write in a less formal and more descriptive manner while you are reporting for a school magazine. Marks would be awarded for format, which includes title, reporter's name. If you're writing the newspaper report, then you write place and date also. That is also included in the format. Content, then expression, which includes accuracy and fluency. The report is of 5 marks. Now, let's work on these two examples. First example, you are Smita Smith, Secretary, Cultural Association, Motilal Formal School, Tirupati. Last month, your school celebrated Library Week in which book reading sessions, writing of book reviews, lectures by eminent writers, etc. were organized. Write a report on it to be published in your school newsletter in 100 to 125 words. Now let's work on the answer. Library Week celebrated the title. Then who is giving the notice? This report, by Smita, Secretary, Cultural Association. Our school celebrated Library Week from 5th January to 12th January. This was a great opportunity for each one of us to recognize the value of libraries. So, in the first paragraph, you have written what was celebrated, the dates, and what was the aim. The aim was to give opportunity for the students, to provide opportunity for students to understand the value of books. Now, highlights. It was a much awaited event and lot of preparations were made in advance for it. Competitions were held on the topic ranging from English elocution, bookmark making, book cover designs, and book writing reviews. Many students participated in these events and gave in their best. You can also write prizes and certificates were given to the participants and prizes to the first, second, and third winners. In addition to these competitions, book reading sessions and lectures by eminent writers were also organized. You can write name of some eminent writers who were invited. The new books purchased by our school library were also displayed. Library Week was altogether a very interesting and enjoyable week for students as well as teachers. So you have concluded your report by giving how it was interesting, enjoyable, useful week for students and as well as teachers. Now let us work on the second example. You are Rohini, school pupil leader of Meerut Public School, Meerut. Your school joined a campaign organized by Jal Board of your city to create awareness among people to conserve water. Write a report in 100 to 125 words highlighting the activities such as rain harvesting, etc. So this had come in CBSE exam, Delhi 2013. Now let's work on the answer. The title, Water Conservation by Rohini, School Pupil Leader. Meerut Public School, Meerut on 12 September 2020 joined a water conservation campaign at India Habitat Centre. This campaign was organized by Jal Board of our city to create awareness amongst people to conserve water. The main agenda of this campaign was to reiterate the need to save water, which is a precious source for survival. Distinguished environmentalists suggested rainwater harvesting as the best way to conserve water and used visual aids to explain the process to harvest rainwater. The Jal Board officials explained time and again on the fact that water conservation is the most cost-effective, environmentally sound way to reduce the demand of water, and each one of us must do our bit towards improving water management to enhance optimum use of water. So, in the first paragraph, if you see, you have given the dates and what uh, what was the campaign about and where, and what was the purpose of this campaign. In the second paragraph, you have highlighted what happened in this water conservation campaign and what was the aim of the campaign. You can also write here the names of distinguished environmentalists who were present. Then, what did the Jal Board officials do? How did they highlight to the students the importance of water conservation? And this is how you are going to write your report. Make sure that you practice report writing because report writing is an important part of your English question paper. Thank you. Have a nice day.